Hey guys, say hi.
Hi.
So today we're doing a little electro mechanics. If you follow me and my son, we already built a 4 prong to 3 prong high voltage extension wire. And today we're doing some electronics at the house, and we've already identified the problem as to one of them. And we're working on this Bluetooth radio or speaker. We haven't got to that yet. He pulled it apart with his little tool set. What we figured out.
That's yours. That's not mine. Mine's is on the CRV somewhere.
Okay. So this here we're working on is a hotlogic, and this is the plate that comes out of it. If you know a hotlogic, this is the plate that comes out of it. So if you look under the bottom here, it'll have some small indentation, and that's how you open it. What we did was we heated up a soldering iron. You can still see the black on the tip, and kind of slowly stuck it inside of there and separated it. Just slowly just work it till it starts smoking and separate it. We've had this hotlogic now for years. You can see it even is cracking right here.
It's cracking?
So what was going on was it was no longer heating. So I'll show you the problem. So once we separated it, and this is the ends, that's it, that we heated. So we got to figure out after. We probably gorilla glue that. But what I did was, once I separated it, and it's still a little bit warm, I realized that it had a thermometer that was glued down to here. And I used the heat gun, heated it up, and dug it off of here. Then I realized that one of the wires was ripped from the thermometer. So what I did was I put it in here. I put it back inside of there. I stuck it in there
and plugged it up.
And plugged it up, and it started reheating again. So what we were thinking about doing is putting it back in there and duct taping it fully on there, and see if that works. But yeah, we decided to, instead of being so quick to just throwing it out, we decided to try to fix it ourselves, as we do many things. I think we fixed our dehumidifier also. It stopped working again. But yeah, it's just I don't know, when you grow up not having the ability to just buy whatever, you learn how to fix it. So we inserted back the wire because it was broken from the thermometer, and this is just so the plate doesn't overheat. And we're gonna reattach back the wire, glue it back down, glue it back down to the plate itself, because the blue circuits, they were attached. So we pretty much just went and checked all the wires, and I saw this wire hanging.
I saw that wire hanging.
And I was trying to figure out where it came from, because it was like it just got pulled out. It didn't break or rip or anything. It just got pulled out. It got pulled out of the thermometer, and it's attached to here. So just something before you're so quick to buy another hotlogic. Sorry, hotlogic, the company that makes hotlogic. I emailed y'all to do business with y'all. Y'all never helped me, so I'm gonna save each and everybody that has money, that bought a hotlogic. I'm gonna save them some money, because I came up with an idea for a hotlogic, and me and the owner were emailing back and forth until I told him my idea, and I never got a message back from him again. So guess what? Now I'm going to make sure that everybody has a hotlogic. They keep it forever and forever and forever. And yeah, the best way how to deal with anything is by action. So like I said, they're pretty stout, but just from ripping and running, and I use mines quite often, a lot. Sometimes the wires get shaken loose, so just try to fix it yourself. And if that don't work, then you can always look to get another hotlogic. Make sure it's unplugged while you're doing this. But like I said, I went in there, found out that this wire right here was detached from inside the thermometer. It's supposed to have two wires going in there. So we're going to insert this one back in there like so. Like this wire, insert it inside there, tape it nice and tight, plug it back in again, make sure it heats up, and then we're going to glue it back together. Alright y'all, so I just went on ahead and peeled away some of the wires from around the thermometer and solder it back on